Could this zero drop Topo shoe be better than Altra zero drop? This is a 3-month review of the Topo ST5. By the end of it, you're gonna know whether this is a shoe to buy or to skip. I am not the ginger runner. I don't get into the midsole, the forefoot, the millimeter drop, and all that type of stuff. But what I can tell you is that I have used these as a daily trainer, in the gym, for runs, and just for regular walking. Let's start with the pros. I have been looking for a shoe to replace my zero drop wide-footed Ultras for a long time, and I think I finally found it with this shoe. Let's compare the foot splay of the Altra versus the Topo. As you can see here, guys, I mean, it is basically the same. This is the Topo, this is a really old Ultra, and I mean, the foot splay is amazing in these Topos. Add in the fact that these are zero drop as well, and I think we have a really good replacement for Ultra shoes. The next thing about these shoes is that they are super light. A men's 9 comes in at 6.6 ounces. It's literally like you do not feel like you have shoes on your feet. With that means they're also extremely bendable and flexible, as most zero drop shoes are. And finally, we actually have a shoe from Topo that actually looks pretty good. I have beat down Altra's designs a lot of my shoe reviews before, but I've got to say this is probably the most sleek and best looking Topo shoe that I have found thus far in their lineup. And that's why I really enjoy using this as a daily trainer. And what I mean by that is going to the gym, going to run errands, going to the store, doing shorter runs. These look really good when you're just out in town or you're doing regular activities. All right, let's get into the cons though. So really the only con to these shoes is the high foot arch. I'm flat-footed, but I can definitely feel this even when I'm lifting or just running, doing errands. If you like foot arch support, this is gonna be something that's a pro to you. For me, being flat-footed, I find it a bit uncomfortable. I don't think it's a total deal breaker for me, but if you don't like arch support, I don't think you're gonna like this shoe. I really think that this shoe is for somebody that's looking to get away from the Ultra zero drops because, let's just face it, they kind of suck. And they wanna get into a different zero drop shoe that they can depend on. So far, the durability of the shoe is amazing. You're not gonna be using it for something like a trail run by any means, just because the foam isn't made for that, but for road running, this is gonna be a great shoe. For a daily trainer, this is a great shoe. And it's great for folks that really wanna have good foot health by having a wide splay in their foot and also a zero drop. If you can find this on sale, I think that's gonna make it a killer deal. I think I picked it up for about $115, and I think that's a good price for this shoe. I would love to hear your guys' opinions with the shoe. Please give a like and subscribe. See you for the next one.